Hey guys, so quick video on how you can use the Numbuzin toner pad. So if you want to use it, this is what you want to do. So to use it, after cleansing your face, take on one pad and gently place the smooth jelly side onto the skin, focusing on an area of concern such as dark spots or all tone. Allow the essence to sit on your skin for like 3 to 5 minutes to fully absorb. Next, using the texture gauze side of the pad, gently wipe the entire face and neck in a circle motion. And this side of the pad provides a gentle exfoliation, helping to remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin feeling fresh and renewed. And follow up with this with a reminder of your skincare routine, such as serums, moisturizers, sunscreen, to lock in the benefits of consecrated pad and further nourishing your skin. So this is how we're gonna do it, and how we're gonna use the toner pad. So have a great day and goodbye.